So today we are going to be talking about synonyms, antonyms, homophones, as well as homographs. So I'm going to start by giving you guys a quick overview of each topic, and then we'll move on from there. But first, I would like to make sure you guys all have out a blank sheet of paper and a pencil with you. So I split the topics into groups to make them easier to understand. So first, I'm going to go over synonyms and antonyms. So synonyms are different words with the same meaning. I do have some examples, but I encourage you to think of more complex words. So I'll be placing questions in this video. Take out that paper and answer the questions as they are asked. The first question is, what is a synonym for the word difficult? And please remember to work on thinking of words that are not easy. I do not want to read these and see the word hard. I want you to actually think about it. If you need more time to think, you may pause the video. We're now moving on to antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. As I did before, I have listed some examples, but I encourage the thought of more difficult words. Here's the next question to answer on your sheet of paper. What is an antonym for the word terrible? Please remember, I do not want easy words. Push your mind to think about it. Like I said before, you can pause if you need more time. Now that we have gone over synonyms and antonyms, we will move on to homophones and homographs. So we will start with homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. I listed a few examples to help you discover more. The question for the homophone section is, what is a homophone for the word right? Please remember that spelling is so important when you're talking about homophones. Homophones only differ with spelling and meaning. That can be hard sometimes. Remember, you can pause if you need more time. The last thing we'll be talking about are homographs. Homographs are words that have different meanings but are spelled the same and sound the same. Homographs can also be known as words with multiple meanings. I do have examples down below, but they are more picture examples to help you see the difference in meanings. Alright, so we'll move on to the last question in the video. What are the two different meanings for the homograph quarter? Once again, you may pause the video if you need more time. And once you have the question answered, I'd like to show you guys a few games that I think will help you get a better understanding of homophones and homographs. And I'll just click on the link. Alright. So, once you get to the page and everything's loaded, click Start Game. And it will ask you all the possible meanings of the word well, or any word it asked you. I say good and deep hole. Oh, yay. And then you can just play this as many times as you want, any practice that you need. And then I'll go back to the next one. This is the last link I have. Alright, so on this page there are 4 games you can play. These ones are pretty similar. All these 3. And then this one is a matching. but I'll show you this game. This one's my favorite. You gotta click play and then play again and then tap for sound. It's a lot of play buttons. Enable for sound. And then it will pretty much read it to you. It's a pretty nice game, but make sure you have your headphones.
The night is dark and full of errors. Help Floyd Snow complete his wall before the sun sets.
Choose the homophone to correctly complete each sentence. Can you that noise?
And it is here.
Can you hear that noise? She slept for one.
And the wall just builds up. Alrighty.